Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Mike, and today I'm going to be your mathematics teacher. I'm going to teach you for students who are in what? ss2. And if you know you are in ss2, you listen to me so that you can learn from me better. So today we're going to treat a very important topic, which is called algebraic process. Algebraic process is a very important topic that we need to listen, because even in your SS classes you will see it. So in this algebraic process, we're going to learn how to expand a number. It's a very simple mathematics. Now example comes this way that we show. Example 1 says expand open bracket x plus 3 close bracket square. So when you see this word square talks about this number you represent it in what? In two places. Solution like this. You have, when they say square, it means this number has to be represented in what? In two places. Like you bring your open bracket x plus 3, you plus it, plus open bracket x plus 3, you square it. So it shows that this particular number, it is being written in what? In their squares. So what do you do next? One thing you do next is that the next step you follow, which is your step 2. In your step 2, you notice that the first bracket, which is given to us by your left hand side here, that any number that comes first must be outside the bracket. Are you getting it now? You must write it what? Outside the bracket. Like if it is x comes out of the bracket. And in this side is the last number used. The last number here is what? 3. It shows that 3 comes outside the bracket. That is, this is how to do it. You said, as it is x, you say what? X open bracket x plus 3 close bracket, plus in this side, as it is 3, that is the last one, you say what? 3 open bracket x plus 3 close bracket. In an expanded notation, the two sides must be what? Equal. That's one thing you need to know. The two sides must be what? Equal. That's why you see x plus 3 here, x plus 3 here. So as we have what done, once we expand it, we have expanded to this level. We're going to say x open bracket x plus 3 plus 3 open bracket x plus 3. I told you how we got this 3. I said 3 is always at the last side. Why in this side, x is always, it comes at the first side. It must not only be x, it must be y, it must be z, it must not be only be 3, it must be 4, it must be 3. All you just need to know is that the last side comes out first, the first side comes out first. So now let's multiply it. So when you want to multiply a number like this, you have to times it. X times x, x times 3. Any number that is outside the bracket, multiply the number inside the bracket. This slide I just did is also known as what? To collect like terms. Are you getting it now? But x times x gives you what? X squared. Are you seeing it? You bring down your plus. X times 3 gives you what? 3x. Are you seeing it now? You bring down your plus. 3 times x gives you what? No, here is 3, sorry. 3 times x gives you what? 3x. While 3 times 3 gives you what? 9. Are you seeing it? So this is now called an algebraic fraction. So how did I multiply complete in the number now is that the number that is with x comes together, the number without x comes together. So if you notice it, x squared plus 3x, we are holding x. Is that also? So you now say it minus 3 plus what? 9. Now you now say x squared, which is this, plus minus is what? Is minus, right? 3x minus 3, this is what? Is x. So we said x squared minus x what? 9. We are left with what? 9. That's all together. X is square is equals to what? X squared is equals to what? 9 as your answer. So this is for such examples like this. You want to solve another example. If I have x plus 4, your square. The first thing you need to do is say square are in two places. S squared plus 4. Minus x plus 4. These are square. The second thing you do, any number that is inside the bracket, the first side comes outside the bracket. X open bracket x plus 4 minus, this one is the last one you are using, 4 open bracket x plus 4. Are you using it? X plus x squared plus x plus 4. It gives you what? 4x plus x gives you what? 4x again. 4 times 4 gives you what? 8. You understand it now? So you have x squared plus minus is what? Is minus. Are you getting it? Yes. So 4 minus 4, they are all gone. Are you getting it now? So one thing you just need to know is that your answer will just be x is equals to what? 8. So if you don't understand anything, you can drop your questions in the comment section, or then you take this classwork. When you know it, you solve it in the comment section, which is x plus 6 squared, then 2x plus 4 squared. If you know the answer, you drop it in the comment section, or I'm going to drop my number to you so that you can call me to confirm your answer. I think that's all for today.